Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add or remove right click entries on your WinRAR on your Windows 11 or in your Windows 10 PC. So for example, as you can see guys, when I am going to right click on my WinRAR file, so there are no entries showing, as you can see guys. So to add the entries on right click menu for your WinRAR, just press Windows key button and here you need to search WinRAR, okay, like this, and you need to open the WinRAR app on your PC. So after opening guys, here you can get the option in the toolbar menu, options, just click on it. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings, go to integration tab like this, and here just you need to check the integrate WinRAR into shell if you want to add the entries on your right click menu. Just check this, and after this guys, just click on OK. That's it. Okay, now guys, when you right click on your WinRAR file, it will show the entries on your WinRAR right click menu, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.